Hey viewers, have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone in this vast universe? With billions of stars and even more planets out there, shouldn't we have found aliens by now? Well, this big mystery is known as the Fermi Paradox, and today, we're diving deep into it. Think about this. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has around 200 to 400 billion stars. Many of these stars have planets, and scientists believe that millions of those planets could be in a habitable zone, meaning they have conditions suitable for life. So, if life is so common, where is everybody? Why haven't we seen any signs of intelligent aliens? One idea is that maybe life is actually very rare. Sure, the universe is full of planets, but just because a planet can support life doesn't mean life actually appears. The process of life, forming from simple molecules, might be incredibly difficult and could almost never happen. Maybe Earth is one of the very few places where life managed to start. But what if life is actually common, and the real problem is that intelligent life is rare? There could be simple bacteria-like life forms all over the universe, but evolving into intelligent, space-exploring civilizations might be extremely difficult. After all, dinosaurs ruled Earth for millions of years, but they never built spaceships. It took billions of years for humans to develop technology, so maybe intelligent life is just really slow to emerge. Now, here's a scarier thought. What if many civilizations do develop, but they destroy themselves before they can explore space? This is called the Great Filter Theory. Maybe every advanced civilization eventually faces a disaster, like nuclear war, climate destruction, or a deadly artificial intelligence that wipes them out before they can reach the stars. If that's true, then maybe we haven't found aliens because most civilizations don't last long enough to make contact. Or perhaps aliens are out there, but they're choosing to stay silent. Imagine the universe as a dark forest where every civilization is like a hunter hiding in the shadows. If you make noise, you might attract something dangerous. Maybe advanced aliens know better than to announce their presence, fearing that a more powerful and aggressive species might come after them. What if we're the naive ones, shouting into the universe while everyone else stays quiet? There's also a chance that we're simply looking in the wrong way. We've only been searching for alien signals for a few decades, and the universe is billions of years old. Maybe aliens communicate in a way we don't understand yet. They could be using laser signals, quantum messages, or something beyond our imagination. If we're expecting radio signals but they're using an entirely different method, we'll never find them. Another possibility is that aliens have already visited Earth, but a long time ago. If an advanced civilization came by thousands or millions of years ago, we wouldn't know unless they left behind obvious evidence. Maybe ancient stories about gods and mysterious encounters were actually about real alien visitors, and we just lost the connection over time. And here's a mind-blowing thought. What if we are the first intelligent civilization in the universe? Somebody has to be first, right? Maybe intelligent life is just now starting to emerge, and we're the pioneers. In that case, it's up to us to explore space and make the first contact someday. But let's take this even further. Have you ever considered that extraterrestrial life might not even resemble anything we know? Most of our searches assume life requires water and carbon-based molecules, just like on Earth. But what if aliens have evolved with completely different chemistry, using liquid methane instead of water, or silicon instead of carbon? If that's the case, we might not even recognize life when we see it. Even more fascinating, what if aliens exist in forms beyond the physical? Some scientists and philosophers have suggested that highly advanced civilizations might transition to digital or non-corporeal forms. Imagine a civilization that has uploaded itself into a vast network of artificial intelligence, living in a virtual world far beyond our comprehension. If this is the case, they might have no reason to interact with the physical universe at all. They could be watching us, completely invisible, existing on a plane of reality we don't even understand yet. Another compelling idea is that we might be living inside a simulation. This is known as the simulation hypothesis. If an advanced civilization has created an ultra-realistic simulation, then we might be inside it without even realizing it. In that case, any aliens we expect to find might simply not be programmed into our reality. What if our universe is just one of countless simulated worlds, and the beings running the simulation have chosen to keep us isolated? And what about time? We always think about space, but what if the answer to the Fermi Paradox lies in time itself? Our civilization has only been technologically advanced for a few hundred years, a tiny fraction of cosmic time. Maybe other civilizations existed millions of years ago and are now long gone. Or perhaps advanced aliens are still in the distant future, and we're just too early to meet them. Let's not forget the possibility that extraterrestrial civilizations exist, but they follow a strict prime directive, just like in science fiction. Maybe they observe young, developing civilizations like ours, but deliberately avoid contact until we reach a certain level of advancement. If that's the case, we might not hear from them until we prove we're ready for interstellar communication. One last thought. What if we have actually found aliens, but we just don't recognize the signs? Some researchers suggest that fast radio bursts, strange cosmic signals, or even the mysterious behavior of certain stars might be evidence of alien activity, but we just don't have the right tools or knowledge to confirm it yet. Maybe the proof has been right in front of us all along, and we just don't understand what we're looking at. No matter the answer, the Fermi Paradox reminds us how mysterious and exciting the universe is. Every time we discover a new planet or send a new space probe, we take one step closer to solving this mystery. So, what do you think? Are we alone, or are aliens just hiding from us? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts.